2019 Mercedes GLE for dash cameras front and back. These are the GON-X range. Obviously, as you can see, this is our rear camera. We'll move around to the front. This is the front unit there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the cameras itself on the car. So if I open up the phone itself, you'll have to download an app called GNet. So on here it will look exactly like the play button that's just there. So it's just called GNet. You're going to download the app and just switch your vehicle on. At this current point in time, this car is on and the cameras are on themselves. So all we're going to do is I'm going to go to settings, Wi-Fi, and you will see the camera itself just there, GON-X. So once you connect, it will then ask you for a password, and the password on this at this current point in time, it's not asked me for in this one, but the password itself is currently set, which will be QWERTY, and then on the rest of the keyboard, which is UIOP, and then that is a factory camera password. So all we're going to do now is on the camera there's a big button and a small button. The small button is the power, which is this one on the right hand side, and the big button is for Wi-Fi. The big button is the one that we're needing to use. So I'm just going to press that button there.
Standby mode for the registration.
Vehicle, the camera has now gone into standby mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the app, and then once I've opened the app, you are logged in. So if I press real-time video, it will show me what it currently sees on the front. If I press where it says front camera on there, it shows me the rear. And if I press back and I go to recorded videos, it will show me all the videos that's currently on there. So they're all time and date stamped. So through this, where it's all time and date stamped, if there was a random video that you needed to save or collect, you press on the video, we show you the current video where it's recorded. Again, press on the bottom where it says front, it will show you the back, and vice versa. If you wanted to download, you press download on the bottom corner and it will go straight to your phone pictures or gallery. And then the last one will be your settings. So if you was to go to settings, you can change the voltage on the vehicle. So once it gets to a certain threshold, so with this car we've set it to 12 volt. So once it gets to 12 volt, it will switch the vehicle off, so that way there's no warnings and errors on the dashboard that give you low battery warnings or anything like that.